Hi, I'm Tony Pisani, a psychologist and family therapist with a focus on suicide prevention. I founded SafeSide Prevention to address a key challenge many organizations face in suicide prevention: how to engage and unite a diverse workforce serving diverse populations in diverse locations to think, act, and communicate with a common set of principles and practices. We'll give you a quick introduction to how we address this challenge and the role you'll play as a host.
I'm Kristina Mossgraber. I'm an advocate for youth and adults who struggle with mental health and suicide concerns. As a suicide attempt survivor myself, I use my lived experience to convey a vision of hope and recovery at SafeSide and beyond.
Hi, I'm Mel Clark. I've been a carer for my brother who has struggled with mental health and suicide concerns for over 15 years. Through my lens of lived experience, I advocate for trauma-informed and family-inclusive practices for youth and adults within SafeSide programs and across systems.